everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm going to be continuing my pairing color series, and this is going to be featuring the color yellow. Because I've already done its opposite on the color wheel, which is purple, I didn't want to pair it with purple today. I've already done that in a previous video, so I'm going to be doing two different looks with the color yellow and doing them in two different ways that I haven't done already on the channel. So if you want to see these two looks, then just keep watching. I'm starting look 1 using this matte yellow-green pear shade in the crease of my eye using a nice big fluffy brush. On the outer corner of my lid, I'm going to take this glitter Multichrome, which is kind of both a warm golden shade and a cool golden shade. That's the nice thing about Multichromes, there are multiple different shades. For the other 2/3 of my lid, I'm going to use this other glitter Multichrome, which has a brown base, but it also has a lime, a pink, and a red shift to it. It's really, really beautiful. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take a brighter yellow matte. This is kind of a really bold mustard shade. On the inner corner, I'm going to take a metallic duochrome that's a mustard teal flip. It's a really neat combo. And I'm just going to finish the eyes with some mascara. This is a close-up of the finished eye look. To zoom out and finish off the rest of the face, I'm going to take an orange cream blush and kind of do a draping sort of blush technique. So I'm going to put that on the higher points of my cheekbones and circle that around to the temples. And for lips, I'm going to use a nude brown liquid lipstick in a matte finish. And this is look 1 finished. And on to look 2, I'm going to start with a really bright sunshiny yellow through the crease. On the lid, all over the lid, I'm going to take a pastel matte teal. It's a really, really beautiful shade, kind of like a sky blue on a clear day. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take this shimmery purple shade that's kind of like the color of a grape jam. I'm going to take this metallic yellow gold shade, and on an angled brush, I'm going to use just small strokes to create kind of a winged liner effect on the upper lash line. On the inner corner, I'm actually going to use this matte bright pink shade, but because I'm using it on a very fluffy brush, it looks more subdued. On top of that, I'm going to use a pink duochrome shade just to make that look a little bit more metallic. On the brow bone, I'm going to use a duochrome white peach shade. And I'm going to finish up the eyes again with a single coat of black mascara. So this is a close-up for eye look number 2. Zooming out to finish up the face, I'm going to use this face palette here and a bright fuchsia blush on my cheeks. Just in the normal place I would use my blush, but I'm going to use it with a very light hand so it doesn't come off too pigmented. I'm also going to use the same highlighter from that palette, which is a beautiful peach pink duochrome. And for lips, I'm actually going to go into this tiny little sample here of a lip gloss shade that it's not too pigmented, but it has a nice blue purple sheen to it. And here we have look number 2. So those are the 2 looks. I hope you enjoyed them. Let me know which one you liked best. And if you want to see more from my pairing color series, I will leave the playlist link down below, along with all kinds of other videos you can find here on my channel. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, there's a button where you can do so. If you don't want to, that's perfectly fine. I hope you're staying healthy and you and your loved ones are staying well. I hope to see you soon. Bye everyone.